series on building a strong home, school, and community partnership. I am Joyce Asne.
And I am Jonabel Mesa.
We are thrilled to have you join on this exciting journey. In this series, we will explore the importance of fostering collaboration
And connection between these three vital pillars of a child's life.
Now you might be wondering, why is it so important to build strong partnerships between homes, schools, and communities? Well, the answer is simple. When these three entities work together, it creates a powerful support system for children's holistic development and success. Throughout this vlog series, we will delve into the numerous benefits of strong partnerships. We'll discuss how it enhances academic achievement, promotes positive behavior, and fosters a sense of belonging and well-being among children. We'll also explore how these partnerships can empower parents, educators, and community members to collectively address challenges and create innovative solutions.
To bring your valuable insights and perspectives, we'll let you watch a video clip about homeschool partnership and community partnership. We'll give you more insights about the importance of community partnership.
The communities that surround students can provide support and empower them to achieve in life. It's our goal to create partnerships by bringing in local resources to help our students succeed. But what happens if a community partnership is ineffective? Our commitment to help at-risk students requires us to thoughtfully approach our partnerships to set and follow clear expectations. When we communicate and manage partnerships effectively, we prepare the way for the students to triumph.
I definitely believe that my children recognize their own growth. They talk about it, they share it. With ARC, a lot of the decoding that they have done or some of the words that they've practiced, you see them become a lot more proficient. And I think what's really helpful for them is that the different stages of where they can be is very clear. So they can tell me, Mommy, I'm at a 1B, I need to do this to get to a 2B. So it's about really celebrating every little step. And the kids love it. They were very much aware of where they used to be and where they are now, and then talking about where they want to be. So once they had that intact, they kind of just made this steady growth.
The first video clip is about forming and managing community partnerships. It's a strategic process that involves collaborating with various organizations, groups, or individuals to address common goals and improve the well-being of community. While the second video clip is about home and school partnership. It's a collaborative relationship between parents, caregivers, families, educators, and schools that aims to support the holistic development and academic success of children. So by fostering collaboration, communication, and mutual support between home and school, this partnership enhance the educational experience and contribute to the holistic development of children. So as we end this vlog, we want to provide you with practical tips and advice that educators and families can implement based on the content of our resource kit. Let's dive right in. For educators, one essential tip is to create open lines of communication with parents and guardians. Regularly update them on their child's progress, both academically and socially. This can be through emails, newsletters, or even scheduled parent-teacher conferences. For family or parents, regularly communicate with your child's educators to stay informed about their academic and social progress. Attend parent-teacher conferences, check in via email or phone, and ask questions about your child's development and any areas needing support. This collaboration helps ensure your child receives the best possible education and support.
Remember, building a strong home school, and community partnership is an ongoing process. It requires active engagement, open communication, and a shared commitment to well-being and success of our children.
In this vlog series on building strong home, school, and community partnerships, we covered key points that emphasize the importance of collaboration between homes, schools, and communities. Here's a summary of the key points. First, building strong partnerships between homes, schools, and communities creates a powerful support system for children's holistic development and success. Second, strong partnerships enhance academic achievements, promotes positive behavior, and foster a sense of belonging and well-being among children. Third, collaborations between parents, educators, and community members empower them to collectively address challenges and create innovative solutions. Fourth, open lines of communication. Trust building and active involvement are essential for educators and families in fostering effective partnerships. Fifth, staying informed about school events, attending parent-teacher meetings, and actively supporting your child's learning journey are important for families. Sixth, the resource kit provides practical tools, templates, and guidelines for strengthening partnerships, including sample communication templates and community engagement ideas. And the last one is 7. Using the partnership checklist included in the resource kit can help assess current practice and identify areas for improvement. So, it's crucial for viewers to explore the resource kit further and implement the strategies discussed in their own context. By doing so, they can actively contribute to building strong partnership and creating thriving environments for children.
But this blog series is not just about us sharing information. We want to hear from you too. We encourage you to actively participate in the conversation by leaving comments, sharing your experiences, and asking questions together. We can create a vibrant community of learners and advocate for strong partnership.
We want to thank you for watching this vlog and being a part of this important conversation.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content and updates.
Together, let's
Continue to foster strong home, school, and community partnership for benefits of our children's education and well-being.
Bye!